Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is the another most interesting Power BI interview question that has been asked by the TCS interviewer during the recruitment process of Power BI developer job role. Okay, so before moving into the questions, let me show you the dataset that I have already imported into this Power BI desktop environment that is called as the EMP detail. Okay, so if you want to see the data what exactly this table contains, so just click on this table view, and here you can see this employee detail table contain total 4 columns. Okay, and those are employee ID, name, email ID, and salary. Okay, these are the 4 columns that we have. Alright, now let's go to the report view and let's see what is the question. Okay, so the question is, how can we extract all the username from the email address using DAX in Power BI? It means this employee detail table contain one column called as the employee ID, right? So from this employee ID column, we just want to extract only the username. Okay, so username means, suppose this is the email ID, that is deep101@gmail.com, right? So before at the rate, whatever text or the value that we have, that is called as the username, right? So for the first this email ID, the username is deep101. Okay, likewise here you can see another email ID, that is suraj.da@gmail.com, correct? So in this email ID we can get the username as the suraj.da, right? In this way we have to extract all the username from this particular email ID column, and that is by the help of DAX function. Okay, so this is the requirement. Okay, now let's see how we can achieve that. All right, so for that let's move to the report view first, then just expand this email detail table to see all the columns. Okay, then click on it, then right click on it and click on new column to create another new column on this particular table. Okay, or also you can click on this table view, then just click on new column. Okay, then rename it as username. All right, then equal to, and now we have to use the DAX functions called as the find. All right, then click enter, and as you can see here, this find DAX functions return the starting position of one text string within another text string. All right, and remember this find DAX functions is completely case sensitive. Okay, and here you can see this find text function take 4 argument. First is find text. It means what text exactly we want to find. So we want to find the at the rate from this email ID first. All right, so just write down the at the rate. All right, then give the comma, but here it is showing the error because here we have to give the semicolon. Okay, because this is the text value. Got it? Then the second argument is within text, within which text we want to find this at the rate, right? So here we have to enter the column name, that is email ID of the employee detail table. All right, then next we have to again give the comma. Then the third argument is starting position. It means from what position this find DAX functions will start finding this at the rate value. All right, so I am giving the starting position as 1. All right, then again give the comma. Then last argument is not found. If this at the rate is not found within this email ID column of the employee detail table, then what value you exactly want to return. So in that place I want to return 0. All right, then close the bracket, then click enter. And now here you can see this is the new column called as a username. Okay, this is the username, and it is giving the position of the at the rate inside this email ID column. Okay, here you can see this is div101 at the rate. So here we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, right? So in the eighth position this at the rate symbol is exist, that's why the output is here 8. Okay, likewise all the at the rate position here in this username column is giving. Okay, now our requirement is we have to find out the username from this email ID column, correct? But in this username column we are only able to see the number, or you can say the position of the at the rate symbol in the each row of this particular column, right? So how we can get the username? So for that again we have to use another DAX functions in this particular column. Okay, so that DAX functions is called as the left. Okay, then click enter, and here you can see the left DAX functions return the specified number of characters from the start of text string. All right, and this left DAX function take two arguments. First is the text, okay, and next is the number of characters. So we want the value from this email ID column, right? So in place of text we can enter the column name, that is email ID. Okay, then give the comma. This is the first argument for the left DAX functions, that is email ID column of the employee detail table. All right, then the next argument is number of character, right? So in place of number of character we can give this value as the argument. Okay, this value will give the position of the @ symbol, right? So this is the value. All right, then simple close the bracket and click enter. And now you can see this username column contain the username along with @ right? This is a deep101 right? This is the username along with @. So that value is coming here, but now we don't want this @ we need only this username part, right? So for that we have to remove this @ symbol from each and every row of the username column, correct? So for that simple, here you have to write -1. We just want to reduce the username column value to -1. Okay, then again click enter, and now here you can see this username column only giving the username value of the each row in this email ID column, right? So in this way we can extract the username from this email ID column using the DAX function in Power BI. All right, so thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.